Today we are going to know about the story of Lord Krishna, the Salter of Kalayavana by Muchkunda. There is a story in Kannada and English language. You can listen to both. Link is added in a description box. A name called Kalayavana was blessed with the invincibility in a battle. He attacks Krishna's kingdom Dwarika. When Krishna got down from the chariot, Kalayavana goes after Krishna. Krishna knows the truth that he is invincible. Krishna entered the cave with a trick where Muchkunda is sleeping. Sleeping there, he will have a boon when someone wakes up him from his sleep. Whoever his eye first fall on will be burnt to ashes because Muchkunda is the guardian of a religion. When the demons fight with the deities seeks Muchkunda's help. He agreed and helped two gods for many years. Gods win the war. Gods gave this boon because Muchkunda was very tired. So Muchkunda was sleeping in that cave. Kalayavana mistakes the sleeping Muchkunda as Krishna and wakes him up by hitting him. Muchkunda's eye grazed fell on Kalyavana and he was burnt to ashes. To listen more this type of more story, subscribe the channel.